Hello everyone, it's Thierry Amar again, Managing Director of Safety Observer. In this video, I'm going to show you the role of account manager and what they can do in the Reading platform. So it's important to know that the Reading platform allows two roles. So there are two roles defined in the platform. The first role is user, and users, all they can do is access the platform and read reports. They can also manage their two authorized devices in their user account. This is the subject of a separate video. The account managers, they can do exactly the same. So they have the same rights as users. And in addition, they have the rights to manage other users covered by the subscription for this particular client. So I'm going to show you how this works. You see that the interface is exactly the same as for users. If I go to my user account, the only difference here is that I can see that my level, my rights are defined as account manager, but otherwise it's the same. I can change my password here, access my browsers, and access the support tab. The only difference is here with the user tab, and this is where we can manage users for a specific client. So you see here the name of the account and the number of licenses covered by the subscription and the users as they are set up. So I'm going to move this. And you can see here that I have two individuals assigned the role of account manager. So it's very important for you to know that there can be several account managers, and there is actually no limit to the number of account managers for a client account. So there is no limit, there is no restriction. You can do whatever you like with this. And all the account managers have these rights to manage user accounts. So what you can do here is you can deactivate a user. So you can see it's just a switch, and you can add new user. So you can add user with these two buttons here. On one side, add user, which is a manual process, and import user. So let's start with the add user. You only need to insert the email address, specify the role, so reader or account manager. You can include first name and last name. And when you create user, automatically an email will be sent to the user to start his access process. Otherwise, you can import users. So as defined here, you can just upload a CSV file, which should contain the email of the users and define the account type, meaning reader or account manager. You upload, and again, here, emails will be automatically distributed to all users for them to activate their account. So I'd like to make it clear that I will be here to assist clients to set them up in the system initially. Afterwards, it is expected that clients become self-sufficient and manage their users independently. So that's the role of the account managers here. They can deactivate the person who leaves and add new users as long as they remain within the number of licenses covered by the subscription. Of course, I will be here to assist clients if necessary. So that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you very much for your attention.